cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Wagoneer Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to wagoneerdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Jeep Grand Wagoneer L, and we're going to do the side skirt chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side panel looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side skirt. So with this one, we will need the door open in order to access the top panel since the side skirt goes inside. So make sure to have both doors open to do your prep. So make sure to clean everything from the top, inside, underneath here, and also clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the, say, the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And you're going to need slip solution. This contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. But if you still have any remaining contaminants, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And both solutions, spray them to your microfiber towel. And also, once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down. Okay, so for the side skirt, we're going to start with piece number 1 that covers the front face first. So with this one, just to avoid getting any contaminants, just place the film to the panel and start by doing the alignment around the front end here first. So start by aligning it here. So just place it that way it doesn't fall off. Align it to the edge and use the bottom section as a guide to align the rest of the film until you reach to that end. Go underneath and just make sure to align and adjust as needed. So just finish off the alignment. Make sure you're just following the path, covering the chrome, and you should be good. Okay, so once you finish applying the entire film, go ahead and just grab your squeegee, start tacking it down, remove all of the airs that may be trapped underneath the film. And then once we're done, if we do have any extra material on the bottom, we could trim it off. Also on the edges, on that end there, wherever you started your alignment, the other end, you may encounter a little bit of extra material, so you would just trim it off. So once you're done tacking everything down, apply heat to seal everything. And then we move on with the last piece and then trim. Okay, so for the installation for the last piece, it's the same process as how we did it with this one. We just need to make sure we align it on the front end, work away. You will need to have the door open here in order to access the rear section. So this one, just place the film down carefully. You could place it on the face of the panel that we just worked on. That way it just holds it in place for now. Cool. And from here, start the alignment on the front end. So right on the front edge right here. And make sure the chrome is being covered. So if you need to move it further, you can. And then just work your way until you reach it to the other end. But this one, you could use the top section as a guide to align the film. you give yourself also a little bit of extra material since there is a small gap where you could tuck in the film in case you have excess. I would say it's just better to use the alignment of the body line here, wherever you left off with this piece, and then move the film up. That way, if you do have extra material, it's just easier to tuck inside. Okay, so once you finish tacking it down, go ahead and just grab your squeegee, start tacking the film onto your panel. Remember, with this part here, you could tuck in the film underneath to get more coverage. This one is not hard to do the install, it's just more of just being careful installing it. So we will probably recommend having 2 people to help you, just so it doesn't fall off and catch any contaminants on the floor. Because the install is pretty easy, it's just the initial installation, since it is a long piece. And then once we finish taking everything down, apply heat, trim off any extra material that you may have on one of the edges, and then we should be good. The last thing would be the post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the side skirt is to post heat everything. So just grab your heat device, use the lowest setting, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and if there's still any film lifting around the edges or anywhere else on the entire panel, we help it tack back down with heat. So take your time applying heat, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete installation for the Jeep Grand Wagoneer L. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Grand Wagoneer L. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.